Hello everyone. Today's video will blow your mind. Get ready to witness some of the most unbelievable accidents and shocking moments ever caught on camera. From breathtaking collisions to chaos that unfolds in seconds, you'll see how life can change so dramatically. Don't look away. Let's explore. That was a brutal crash. Wait, smoke is coming out. Oh no, boom, that car just exploded. That ambulance had the sirens on, but that driver wasn't paying attention. Crash! The car looked like a sandwich. Oh no, that car is skidding. There's no railing left, it's going over the edge. That driver slammed on the brakes. The car behind him had no chance. It seems like the car spun out of control. That car just accelerated instead of stopping, straight into another vehicle. That tanker just crashed head-on into the median. Look at that fireball. What a disaster. That impact was huge. The car is rolling 1, 2, 3 times. This is bad. This is bad. That car just crashed through the guardrail. It's falling straight down the cliff. The car was airborne. It was a horrible sight. That was a high-speed crash. Wait, there's gas leaking. Boom, massive explosion. That car didn't stop. It was heading straight for the gas station. Boom, a huge explosion. Speeding at intersections is a major risk factor for accidents. Really careless in observing at intersections while driving. That was a high-speed crash. Wait, there's gas leaking. Boom, massive explosion. No way he makes that turn at this speed. He's off the road. That driver isn't slowing down for the intersection. Boom, direct impact. .20 miles per hour. No way he controls that. There it is. Massive crash. The truck lost control and couldn't manage its speed. Too bad. There were too many other cars. That car didn't stop. Whoa, that car is swerving out of control at 70 miles per hour and crash. This is a massive pileup. That police cruiser is too close. The suspect just brake checked him. Now the cops are in trouble. The roads are pure ice. That car just lost traction. Here comes another. Bam! And another. This is turning into a massive pileup. The brakes aren't working. That car is going straight into the storefront. Glass everywhere. Rain is making the road slick. That car just hydroplaned. Oh my god, it just went straight off the cliff. Oh my god, the car fell from the sky straight into the swimming pool. It looks like the car lost its brakes and slammed straight into a gas station and then exploded. That car is speeding inside the tunnel. The brakes are smoking. This won't end well. Sudden engine failure or breakdown in the middle of the highway always leads to serious accidents. This guy looks like he's drunk and can't control his speed. The road is too slippery. That car is spinning out, straight into another vehicle. That truck won't slow down. There's a toll booth. The car suddenly exploded. God, a crazy car is speeding through the intersection. How terrible. The car's on fire and could blow up any second. That sun glare is blinding. That driver can't see. Bam. That truck was going too fast into the curve. There was no way he could make it. This guy was trying to run from the police at over 100 miles an hour. And lo and behold, he just flipped over. Wait, that car is too close to the edge. No way, it just fell off. The truck lost its brakes and just wiped everything out. That car had no chance. The car just T-boned it at full speed. Oh my God, the car fell from the overpass. Slippery roads from the weather have caused a bunch of car crashes. That driver slammed on the brakes on the tracks. Big mistake. Now there's a collision. The car swerved into the lane at high speed, and the crash was huge. Looks like the gas truck blew up. crash made the truck lose control and fall into the abyss. Wait, why is that car on the train tracks? The lights are flashing. Oh no, the train just obliterated it. That impact was huge. The car just flipped into the air. That driver swerved too hard. Now he's spinning across the highway. The truck got too close, and there was an unfortunate collision. That driver is texting. Look out, he just crashed into the car in front. Oh no, that guy just ran a red light at full speed. And boom, that's a major collision. Hope everyone's okay. Oh my god, couldn't stop in time. Head-on crash with another car. Thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. If you found the content helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest uploads. We're committed to bringing you more high-quality, exciting videos. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.